Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see dividends on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download a Webull application on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign up. Of course, open the application, then sign up to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that. Log into your account and let's just get straight into this video. So here I'm just going to open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see, that is actually my home or my main screen, and this is just the cryptos or the stocks that I added to my watch list. If you want to add some cryptos to your watch list, you'll find out how in one of our videos in this channel. So as we said, if you want to see dividends, so once the dividend hits your account, you can find it on your monthly account statement or on the mobile app by clicking into your Webull homepage. Of course, the bottom middle of the page. So for me, I'm not using the latest version of the Webull, so I'll not have another option here, which is the fifth option in the middle. If you have it, just go and click on that. Then you would like to click on history button. So after you click on this history button, you will actually have you will have an option to change the records button. Locate next to the filter button to dividends records. I cannot even spell English anymore. So you can actually do that to see the dividends. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.